In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hooks in Suno AI. A hook is a short, catchy pairing of music and video designed to grab attention fast, and Suno makes the process simple from start to finish. I'll walk you through exactly what to click and why, with a few tips to help you get a clean, eye-catching result. Start by opening the Suno AI music generator website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section labeled Hooks. This is where Suno streamlines short-form music moments. Click Create to begin. You'll land in a guided workflow made specifically for building a hook. Next, choose a song. You'll see options you can preview so you can hear a snippet before committing. Pick something that fits the vibe of the video you plan to use: energetic tracks for action, mellow tracks for calm visuals, and so on. When you found a good match, click Use. This locks in your audio foundation so you can focus on the visuals. Now, click Select Video. Upload the video you want to pair with the track from your device. For best results, choose a clip that's visually clear within the first second or two and that matches the mood of the music. Short, high contrast clips with a strong subject in frame tend to perform well. Make sure your file is the final version you want to publish, since this flow is optimized for quick creation. After you upload, Suno will process the video and align it with the song. This can take a little time depending on the file size and your connection. While it's working, avoid refreshing the page. When processing finishes, click Next to move into the polish phase. Before you post the hook, use the preview to watch and listen all the way through. Add a caption that sets context or teases what viewers will hear. Keep it concise and on message. You can choose whether to allow comments, which is useful if you want feedback or engagement, and you can toggle show lyrics if you'd like on-screen words to reinforce the hook and make it more memorable. Use the edit frame option to select the thumbnail or the keyframe that represents your video best. Pick a clear, high-impact moment so the cover looks compelling in feeds. When everything looks right, click Post. Suno will publish your hook and make it available in your account. That's it, fast, focused, and designed for attention. Revisit this flow anytime you want to pair a fresh video with a new track and keep your content consistent and catchy.